The health benefits of avocados are unquestionable. These benefits are obtained from a variety of nutrients contained in avocados. Apart from being nutritious, avocados also have a delicious taste and are suitable for consumption by everyone. Avocados are known for their good fat content, namely monounsaturated fat. Avocados also contain carbohydrates, fiber, and protein, which are important for body health. In addition to containing these nutrients, avocados contain potassium, magnesium, lutein, folate, and various vitamins, such as vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin K. The fiber content in avocados helps to reduce the risk of heart disease. The fiber content in avocados helps reduce glucose absorption, while the healthy fats can help improve insulin sensitivity. This can help keep blood sugar levels stable after a meal. Avocados are also very popular in the health and fitness world as they are highly nutritious and are associated with several health benefits. Well, here are some of the benefits on avocados. 1. Helps control blood pressure. The first benefit of avocado is that it can help control blood pressure. Avocados are rich in potassium. This mineral is useful for controlling blood pressure and preventing high blood pressure. Potassium is also good for regulating the heart rhythm to keep it regular. For example, half of an avocado contains 10% of the daily requirement for potassium. While potassium is needed for several important bodily functions, including blood pressure regulation and nervous system function. 2. Gut health and preventing constipation. Avocado benefits are also related to digestive health. Avocados are high in fiber, providing about 14 grams of fiber in each fruit. This amount is almost half of an adult's daily fiber requirement. Getting enough fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, as it helps promote the growth of healthy bacteria. Also, keep in mind that all foods containing fiber, including fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, are important for gut health. The most important factor in supporting digestive health is eating a variety of fiber-containing foods, including avocados. 3. Helps maintain immunity. The benefits of avocados also provide nutrients that are important for immune system health, because they contain vitamins C, B6, and E. Half of an avocado provides 15% of the body's daily requirement for B6, a nutrient that helps suppress inflammation and protect against oxidative damage. Inadequate B6 intake can negatively affect immune function and increase susceptibility to disease. 4. Reduces risk factors for heart disease. Eating nutrient-dense foods like avocados regularly can help protect the body from heart disease. The vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and fiber found in avocado benefits all play a role in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Study findings suggest that a diet rich in avocados may help improve risk factors for heart disease. Avocado benefits may also help increase heart-protective HDL cholesterol and lower levels of oxidized LDL cholesterol, a type of cholesterol significantly linked to atherosclerosis, or plaque buildup along artery walls. In addition, the high potassium and magnesium content in avocados is beneficial for regulating blood pressure. Keeping blood pressure at a healthy level is essential for the prevention of heart disease. 5. Maintains body weight. Because avocados contain carbohydrates and fiber, eating avocados can provide a longer feeling of fullness. Although fatty, avocados do not cause rapid weight gain, because the type of fat contained in them is good fat. However, to get the benefits of avocado on this one, you are advised not to consume it excessively, considering the calories are quite high, which is around 150 to 200 calories. In addition, to lose weight, you are also encouraged to exercise regularly. That's the information related to the benefits of avocados that you can feel for your health, especially to help control blood pressure. When regularly consuming avocados, make sure you and your family also live a healthy lifestyle consistently. This video is only for education purposes. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel so you don't miss other videos.